Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install iPhone or iOS keyboard on your Android 13. So in order to do this, let's open up our Google Play Store. Next is to find an app called Green Apple. Green Apple keyboard, let's select it and download it. When it's ready, open it. Here, enable it in the settings. Go back, switch input methods to English Green Apple. And we're finished. Now we can customize the keyboard right here into whatever you want. So just browse through those settings. But now let's try typing in something. And as you can see, our keyboard is like an iPhone. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.